How to drop a pin on Google Maps. So hey guys, if you want to drop a pin on Google Map, so for example, let's say if you want to share a specific location with your friends which is not listed on Google Maps, but you know that is your location. So for example, let's say your own home, then this trick is for you. So the first thing you need to do is zoom on to that particular location or position of which you want to drop the pin. So for example, let's say this building right here. So as here you can see, in this building there is no name, but what I can do is simply drop a pin by tapping and holding on to this position. And here you can see that once I have dropped the pin, it automatically fetches the nearest address, and along with this you can also see the longitudes and latitude for the same. Now the next steps you can do after dropping the pin is the first step, that you can get the direction to that particular point, and then the next option is that you can save it to any list that you have created or into any favorite or want to go places, so that you can have a future reference of it. And then there are other options as well. The next option is to share it with someone, especially if it is the location of your own home. And then there are other options like you can measure distance or also add some missing places if you want nearby that particular pin. So that's how easily you can drop a pin and use it to share directions in Google Maps easily. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like as well. Do tell us in the comments if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.